Welcome back, collectors. Today, we're unboxing the 1994 Mazda RX-7 RS FD3S, a licensed 1/18 diecast scale model by Solido. Get ready to uncover what makes this model a standout in any collection. This RX-7 comes in Solido's new packaging, featuring a clear window box, a plastic base, and a name sticker on the base for easy identification. While the presentation looks great, it's worth noting that Solido provides only a single protective frame on one side of the packaging. This is an area where Solido could improve, as the packaging feels too delicate for safe transportation. For such reasons, we at Scale Arts take extra measures to ensure the safety of your collectibles. We carefully repackaged the model to provide additional protection, tailored to withstand the challenging conditions of Indian logistics. This extra step helps us deliver the model safely to collectors, preserving its quality and ensuring it arrives in perfect condition. Time to unbox this beauty and bring it to life. As I carefully remove it, the iconic RX-7 silhouette immediately catches the eye, perfectly captured in this 1/18 scale model. The vibrant red paint paired with BBS wheels truly stands out, highlighting the RX-7's sleek and aerodynamic design. It's a definite head-turner for any collector. This model is also available in a Montego blue color with stock wheels, which we'll showcase later in this video. As always, the doors are secured with a plastic strip to prevent them from opening during transit, ensuring the model arrives in perfect condition. Let's open the doors and take a closer look inside. The interior is decently detailed, with a clean and realistic finish. Both color variants of this model feature a black interior. Now, onto the best part of this model, the headlights. First, let's carefully remove the small stickers placed on the headlights, designed to protect them during transit. I'll turn the model around so you can see this knob here. It's what makes the magic happen. When you move this knob, the headlights pop up, just like on the original car. Isn't that cool? Very few models come with such realistic pop-up headlights, making this feature even more special and adding to the overall charm of the RX-7. The Mazda RX-7 is an iconic sports car that made its debut in 1978 and remained in production until 2002. Known for its lightweight design and rotary engine, the RX-7 gained a reputation for exceptional handling and performance. The FD3S, introduced in 1992, is the third generation of the RX-7 and is considered by many enthusiasts to be the pinnacle of the model's legacy. With its aggressive styling, advanced technology, and the unique rotary engine, the RX-7 has earned its place as a beloved classic among car enthusiasts worldwide. Which color do you like more, vibrant red or the sleek Montego blue? Let us know in the comments below. And that's a wrap on the rotary engine JDM icon for now. What a fantastic piece of automotive history! You can purchase this incredible scale model directly from our website, www.scalearts.in, and check the link in the description to add it to your collection today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.